package from Alpha Investments, Rudy. This is the ever famous collector 6.9 anniversary box that Rudy put together. It's been pretty exciting to watch other people open their boxes. I only got one. They were pretty expensive. Ended up selling a couple Modern Horizon collector boxes to purchase it. I didn't. So I'm gonna open it up. This is from mailbox to video. I blanked out some stuff, and we will get into opening this up real quick. Take a look. Hopefully, getting all the fun stuff that we're looking for. It's interesting because I'm not a MetaZoo. I don't do anything with the MetaZoo. Though I do recognize that the MetaZoo boxes have been more or less the go-to boxes for value. But what's weird is I got lucky for this particular set. Probably one of the reasons I really thought it would be fun to actually buy it was I play Flesh and Blood, I play Magic the Gathering, and I have started playing White Schwartz. So this kind of thing is kind of right up my alley already, straight out of the box. I mean, it looks incredible. We all recognize that it looks incredible. We've seen it before. My box seems to be pretty good shape. There's a little ding in the corners, but that's to be expected. I mean, the box is not going to be flawless. I don't have one of those boxes that have the stickers on the wrong side, so we're just going to tear right into this right away. We're not going to mess around. Oh, I shut my knife already, so let's get the knife back out. We will just make the quick little incision in the ooh, I don't really want to cut the box. And this is a pretty sharp knife. All right, I think we're good. Yep. All right, we're good. Now I can put the knife back. Yeah, I kind of want to keep the box nice. It's a nice box. Rudy did a lot of I don't know how much work it was for him. I imagine it wasn't easy, but I'm very appreciative of the work they've done. I'm excited to take a look. I have been seeing a lot of these videos, and I have been super excited about my own Greed Monster. I think I'm gonna wear the floppy taco to the LGS for the release of 2320, for the release of our Uprising Flesh and Blood game. These are really, like, the videos don't really do these justice, but these are really shiny. They're really well done. I thought they were a little gimmicky at first, but not bad. 766. This is the floppy taco. I don't know what it is about the floppy taco, but it is the one that I was most excited about. There's no holes, so you just push it through on your own, I guess. Getting it back lined up is kind of a pain. All right, I did see enough people using tools to know that I needed a tool right off the bat to get in there, and I didn't want anything that was going to scuff up the finish on here. So we got ourselves a nice 067. I'd like a really low number. I mean, finding a 1 of would be super cool. I don't really expect to get a 1 of, but that's what I really was hoping for, like a 1, or maybe even a 3000 would be cool. The redemptions are neat, but we got ourselves a 289. So I'm getting pretty low numbers. That's pretty good. It's actually really cool. I'm actually kind of a bit jealous. I kind of wonder who did this for him, because I kind of like the idea of creating my own pins. I wonder what that process was like. did he have artists design this stuff for him and then he send it to the printer or what? But this is a different, I think this is probably a different pin company, because he is using what looks like brass instead of, or maybe bronze instead of the painted gold or whatever. But we got ourselves 224. Oh man. Maybe they're all the other ones are just plated. Maybe they're all bronze like that, but because they all have the same weight. And then the bookshelf, which I don't know why I think of the bookshelf as a barbecue, like a chocolate bar, but I do. And we got ourselves 21.29. No ones, no 3000s, but we are happy. We got 2 Green Monsters, 2 Dumpster Fires, 2 Floppy Tacos. I don't see a visor on there, but we got them all. All right, and now we're gonna pull this out, slide this up like this, and right off the bat, we did get a magic card. It doesn't have that cool, it doesn't have the super cool, whatchamacallit, logo or the little alpha, so I didn't get an altar, which is kind of a bummer. I was really hoping for an altar. I did get Big O dice. I will probably add this to my collection. They are hefty, they are big, they do feel good, they are goofy, but everybody knows what card this is. Like I said, I'm not a big Zoo fan, but nonetheless, we get ourselves a sweet Flesh and Blood. I was pretty excited about. I'm hoping for something really cool. I got the duels. The blank cards are neat. I haven't gone to a lot of the games, so like a blank card. Well, I did get a blank card, with blank, no signs or anything, and an Electrify. I'm not super excited. The Electrify is maybe the least exciting. I have a couple of these. I bought a couple of these, they're pretty cheap. The equipment will be all right. Like I could probably have somebody do an altar on it. So I'm a little bit. I was really hoping for something unique there. We did get a redemption card for something. I don't know what it is. We got ourselves a case of unsanctioned. Unsanctioned. I'm not super familiar with the unsanctioned, the unproducts. I don't usually play the unproducts. I don't know if that's I know that's not the most recent one. The most recent one is something to do with universes. We did get ourselves a whole slew of Weiss Schwartz products, which not disappointed. These are cool. I think we have to open them because there's not really a lot of value in keeping single packs closed. I bought stuff from Rudy for this particular stuff before, so I know that he isn't just pulling out all the SPs and then sending us the leftovers, unless he is, and that would be weird. I think Rudy's making enough money off of the sealed box prices to not justify ripping people out. That doesn't seem like a thing a good business person would do. A good business person knows that customers who are happy with the products that you give them, there's also a SR right off the bat. That's not bad. A Draken SR set wasn't. I like the set a lot. I actually opened quite a bit of this, and I have actually enjoyed playing with this. I haven't opened any of this. I wasn't familiar with any of the Grand Order stuff. I don't know the anime. I do know this anime. I watched that. That was interesting. I actually liked it. I know that the rare spots change depending on the set you're pulling from. We just got a regular rare. I'm not familiar enough to even look at that one. Let's see what else. Quintessential, not a big like I don't know what this is. Probably a romance anime. Not my biggest, not a huge romance anime person. Got ourselves a double rare, which good. We got ourselves a value card, and then a regular rare. This quintessential, so up at the game stores, a lot of people are playing that, and it's having a lot of success. A lot of people are doing really well with the. This is Attack on Titan final season. This is actually cool. I didn't get any of this. I would have liked to, but I didn't. I have to keep my money flow in a good way. We got ourselves the Cart Titan, regular rare. That's pretty cool. This series was good. We got another Attack on Titan. This looks like from either the first or second season, but I actually bought a trial deck from this particular set back in the day, and I pulled a card that pretty much is what this trial deck is really what got me into Weiss Schwartz in the first place, was the Attack on Titans trial deck. And I got a triple rare in the trial deck, which turned out to be a pretty big deal. We got ourselves a rare female Titan. Then we got ourselves Slime, another Attack on Titan. We're gonna do more Attack on Titan. We got ourselves Slime and Dungeon. This is the second season, I think. Yeah, second set release for the Titans. We got ourselves anything. We got a double rare. We got ourselves a Levi double rare. Super cool. Double rare. The foiling on these are a little different than the later sets. Later sets have this like kind of confetti foil. Slime. I've watched a couple episodes of this. This is not my favorite anime. It gets a little weird. We got ourselves a cool, regular, rare, green-haired girl. Not familiar enough with this set. Me and my wife have watched this one. This anime is kind of crude, a little bit lewd, but I have enjoyed it for the most part. And our last thing to open, we have ourselves a single rare little rookie. Overall, the box was fun to open. It was exciting. Got ourselves a redemption and a blank Flesh and Blood card. Would really have liked to get one of the signed Flesh and Blood cards. Maybe I can trade for one of those at a later date. Overall, fairly happy with the product. It's really kind of an exciting thing to do. It was interesting nonetheless, and I'm very happy that Rudy was able to do it. Thanks everybody. Peace until next time.